What's happening? I hope you all are doing great because I feel great that I recorded this video, and I just want to share it with you all so you can see how I got these cute bob length faux locks. So if you're interested, just continue watching and I'll explain as best as I can. So to achieve the style, I got the Free Tresh 3x Punta Cana twist hair and some regular braiding hair. That brand doesn't really matter. You probably already have some, just use what you got, girl. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair, and on my scalp I'm using vitamin E oil. You can use this as, a moisturizer for your scalp. I use it on my face. Just put it on your whole life. And I'm also using this oil. It's supposed to be good for relieving itch from dry scalp. So I use both of those and just massage my scalp really well. So when I started parting my hair, I was going for the messy look. I didn't want it to be uniform at all. That's why I went with faux locks, because I knew it didn't have to be very neat, because I really do like my parts to be neat, but it's hard to see when you don't have a mirror. So I'm just using like that big tooth comb to make those parts. And here I am kind of putting a little bit of moisture on there. I'll leave what everything is like in the description, because I really don't even know what I just put on my hair. I just knew it needs to be moisturized. Now I told y'all that this wasn't very in-depth. I am sorry that I even chose this way to do my hair, because it's so hard to explain. But for my section, I did a Senegalese twist. So you're gonna take a piece of braiding hair, place it in the middle of your two pieces of hair that you would use for a regular twist. For the left side, you could go clockwise, and for the right side, you would twist counterclockwise, adding that extension braiding hair. And then you just twist all the way down, making sure like you actually twist the left and right piece of extension hair before you actually twist it to get, oh my goodness. I'm so mad that I did that to y'all. I'm so sorry. So I only did those full Senegalese twists on the back section of my hair. Now in the front, I'm actually braiding. So just adding the hair like a regular braid, and then once I get past my own natural hair, I twist the ends like I would the Senegalese twist, just so it stays together as much as it can. So I'm at the last twist, and now I'm gonna cut my hair in the bob length, y'all. When I say this is where I struggled, it's a mess. Just use a mirror if you can, because it shouldn't have been this difficult for me to cut my hair. Once I finally got my hair cut and I was satisfied with how the bob was, I took one strand of the Punta Cana twist hair and I split it in two. You could leave it a full twist, but I didn't want my faux locks to be really large. So with the wrapping process, I take a piece of the twist hair and I lay one short end along the root of my braid. And then I take the opposite end and I wrap it around all the way down. That's literally all you have to do, is just wrapping. And once you start getting your footing, you can go a little bit faster. That's all it is to it. It's just really tedious. Once you have wrapped the hair all the way down to the end of the extension hair, you're going to knot the Punta Cana twist hair and make sure it's really tight, and then fold the end of the extension hair upwards, and then you're going to wrap that twist hair around it to knot it, and just wrap it back up until it's sealed. Make sure you put a knot in the hair that you're wrapping back up as well. So I'm doing the same thing that I did. This is my last wrap faux lock that I'm doing. Just make sure that you're keeping one hand stationary, and that's the hand that's actually holding the twist. The other hand is the hand that you're using to wrap the twist hair around. You don't want to move both hands like you're doing a two-strand twist, because it will not come out correctly, because your twist hair isn't laying flat and being wrapped around the twist. So this is the same twist that was just shown in the last clip. The only difference is now I'm adding a very small, well, not small, but a thin piece of the twist hair, and I'm wrapping it around that same faux lock. And this is just going to give the faux lock dimension, make it look really natural. So just do the same thing all the way down and knot it at the end. And here I'm done, just trying to fill out how I like the bob. So I just wanted to add my own little touch. I don't really like, the cuffs and stuff like that, the gold cuffs, but I really do like beads and shells. So to do that, I just used my crochet needle and I put it through the shell, and then I added a rubber band and just kind of loop knotted it, and then used the rubber band to secure it to my faux lock. So these are my finished results. I really love my hair. I'm so glad that I finally did this. I've been wanting to do it for a long time. If you like my video, if you like this style, if you're going to try it, please let me know, comment, and thank you all for watching.